Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of Zero G, also known as Zero Gravity. This is the native token of Zero G Labs, a blockchain project with a bold vision to bridge the gap between artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. G isn't just another cryptocurrency. It's designed as a modular AI-optimized Layer 1 chain. That means it's built to handle large-scale AI workloads directly on-chain, including compute, storage, and data availability. As we explore Zero G's journey and its price outlook for 2025, let's first understand what sets this project apart in the crowded crypto landscape. But what can you actually do with Zero-G tokens? The utility is multifaceted. G is used for paying gas fees, staking, participating in governance, and operating nodes within the network. This means holders aren't just speculating, they're actively involved in the ecosystem's growth and security. By supporting these core functions, Zero-G aims to create a robust infrastructure for AI and blockchain integration. As we move forward, keep in mind how these utilities could influence demand and, ultimately, price performance. Zero-G made its debut on major exchanges including Binance in September 2025. The initial price hovered around $4.46, quickly drawing attention from both AI and crypto enthusiasts. With a circulating supply of about 213 million tokens and a total supply capped at 1 billion, Zero-G entered the market as an early AI infrastructure token. This positioning brings both high potential and high volatility, making it a project to watch closely as the year progresses. Economics play a crucial role in any crypto project's future. For Zero-G, the circulating supply is around 213 million, with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. This structure means that as more tokens are unlocked or burned, the supply dynamics can shift, impacting price. Investors and analysts alike are keeping a close eye on these events, as they can create both opportunities and risks for price movement. What makes Zero-G truly unique is its focus on bridging AI and blockchain ecosystems. By enabling large-scale AI workloads on-chain, Zero-G is positioning itself at the intersection of two of the most transformative technologies of our time. This synergy could drive significant demand, especially as AI continues to expand into new industries and applications. As of now, Zero-G is trading at approximately $4.40. This price reflects both the excitement around its AI capabilities and the inherent risks of being a new entrant in the crypto space. With such volatility, price predictions become both challenging and intriguing, especially as we look ahead to the end of 2025. Looking ahead, the big question is, can G reach $7 by the end of 2025? That would represent about a 60% increase from its launch price. This target is ambitious but not out of reach, especially if the project continues to gain traction and the broader market remains supportive. Let's start with the bear case. If adoption is slow, the market remains weak, or there's significant token dilution, Zero-G's price could fall to the $2.4 range by year-end. This scenario highlights the risks associated with new technologies and the importance of market sentiment in driving prices. In the base case, we assume moderate adoption, stable growth, and balanced tokenomics. Here, Zero-G's price could range between $4 and $7 by the end of 2025. This scenario is considered the most realistic, reflecting steady progress without major surprises, either positive or negative. Now let's imagine a more optimistic outcome. If the Zero-G ecosystem grows rapidly, AI hype continues, and the crypto market enters a bull run, the price could soar to $7.12. This scenario depends on strong community engagement, technological breakthroughs, and favorable market conditions. For those dreaming big, the ultra-bull scenario envisions G surpassing $12. This would require major AI and crypto synergy, large-scale partnerships, and significant institutional backing. While possible, this outcome is less likely and would need a perfect storm of positive developments. So what are the odds of Zero-G reaching $7 by the end of 2025? Based on current conditions, analysts estimate a 30–40% probability. This means it's plausible, especially if the AI sector expands and new partnerships are announced. However, it's far from guaranteed and depends on several moving parts. What could tip the scales in Zero-G's favor? If the broader crypto and AI sectors rally, the likelihood of hitting $7 jumps to over 50%. Market momentum, investor sentiment, and technological advancements all play a role in driving prices higher during bullish cycles. One of the most important factors to watch is the formation of major partnerships in the AI and blockchain sectors. Collaborations in compute, data, and storage can significantly boost Zero-G's credibility and utility, attracting more users and investors to the ecosystem. Another key metric is the growth of validator and node participation. A healthy, decentralized network relies on a strong base of validators. As more participants join, the network becomes more secure and resilient, which can positively influence token value. Token unlock or burn events are critical for supply dynamics. Unlocks can increase circulating supply, potentially putting downward pressure on price. Conversely, token burns reduce supply, which can support price appreciation if demand remains strong. Market-wide sentiment, especially around Bitcoin, often sets the tone for the entire crypto sector. Positive sentiment can lift all boats, while negative news or uncertainty can drag prices down, even for promising projects like Zero-G. Real-world AI integrations and ecosystem expansion are vital for Zero-G's long-term success. As more applications and partnerships emerge, the token's utility and value proposition becomes stronger, attracting a broader user base. The AI sector is evolving rapidly, with new breakthroughs and applications emerging every month. G's ability to adapt and integrate with these trends will be a major determinant of its future value and relevance. Blockchain technology itself is also advancing, with new protocols and use cases being developed. G's modular, AI-optimized approach positions it well to capitalize on these changes, provided it can maintain its technological edge. Institutional backing can be a game-changer for any crypto project. If Zero-G attracts significant investment from large players, it could accelerate development, increase credibility, and drive price appreciation. A vibrant, engaged community is essential for any blockchain project's success. G's future will depend in part on how well it can foster participation, encourage feedback, and build a loyal user base. Developer activity is another leading indicator of a project's health. Frequent updates, new features, and active problem-solving signal a committed team and a dynamic ecosystem, both of which are positive for Zero-G's prospects. Regulation is always a wildcard in the crypto space. Changes in policy or new legal frameworks can have a significant impact on price and adoption. G will need to navigate this landscape carefully to ensure long-term viability. The AI and blockchain sectors are highly competitive. G must differentiate itself from other projects by offering unique features, superior performance, or strategic partnerships. Staying ahead of the competition is crucial for sustained growth. The distribution of token holders can affect price stability. A broad, decentralized base of holders is generally healthier for a project, reducing the risk of large sell-offs and price manipulation. Liquidity is another important factor. High liquidity allows for smoother trading and less price slippage, which can attract more investors and traders too. Exchange listings and trading volume will be key metrics to monitor. Expanding the utility of Zero-G tokens beyond current use cases can drive additional demand. New applications, integrations, or services that require Zero-G for access or payment will strengthen its value proposition. Staking is a powerful tool for encouraging long-term holding and network participation. Attractive staking rewards can incentivize users to lock up their tokens, reducing circulating supply and supporting price. Active governance allows token holders to shape the future of the project. By voting on proposals and upgrades, the community can ensure that G evolves in a way that benefits all stakeholders. Operating a node is another way for users to contribute to the network. Node operators help secure the blockchain, process transactions, and earn rewards, further decentralizing and strengthening the ecosystem. Integrating Zero-G with real-world AI applications can drive adoption and utility. Partnerships with enterprises, research institutions, or other blockchain projects can open up new markets and use cases. AI hype cycles can have a significant impact on related tokens. When excitement around AI peaks, projects like Zero-G often see increased attention and investment, driving prices higher, at least temporarily. The broader crypto market moves in cycles, with periods of rapid growth followed by corrections. Zero-G's price will be influenced by these cycles, so timing and market awareness are key for investors. Bitcoin often acts as a bellwether for the entire crypto market. When Bitcoin rallies, altcoins like Zero-G tend to follow. Conversely, Bitcoin downturns can drag the whole sector down regardless of individual project fundamentals. Every investment carries risks, and Zero-G is no exception. Volatility, regulatory uncertainty, technological challenges, and competition all pose potential threats to price performance. It's important to weigh these risks before making any decisions. On the flip side, the potential rewards are significant. If Zero-G succeeds in its mission, early adopters could benefit from substantial price appreciation, ecosystem growth, and new opportunities in the AI blockchain space. It's important to remember that all price predictions are analytical forecasts, not guarantees. The crypto market is notoriously unpredictable, and even the best analysis can be upended by unforeseen events. Under moderate market conditions, a price range between $4 and $7 for Zero-G by the end of 2025 is a reasonable expectation. This reflects steady progress without the need for extraordinary developments. If a strong bull cycle emerges, Zero-G could surpass $7, potentially reaching new highs. This would require a combination of favorable market conditions, technological breakthroughs, and strong community support. G's long-term vision is to become the go-to platform for AI workloads on blockchain. Achieving this goal will require ongoing innovation, strategic partnerships, and a strong, engaged community. Staying informed about project updates, market trends, and industry news is essential for anyone interested in. The landscape can change quickly, so keeping up with developments will help you make better decisions. While Zero G offers exciting potential, it's wise to diversify your portfolio. Spreading investments across different assets can help manage risk and smooth out returns over time. To sum up, Zero G's journey is just beginning. While hitting $7 by the end of 2025 is possible, it's not guaranteed. The project's success will depend on a mix of technological progress, market conditions, and community support. Stay curious and keep learning as the story unfolds. Finally, remember that this analysis is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with professionals before making investment decisions.